Well, actually, I'm involved in the Work Package 2, providing my clinical experience in the evaluation, in particular, of AML-related topics, and particularly in this later period, we are involved in the outcome definitions for AML. I think for sure the big data will help in the future to better understand whether the outcomes we are currently consider are the best to be considered, or if we can, as I think, improve something in that way. For instance, moving from overall survival outcomes into other outcomes such as event-free survival, for example, which actually help to predict in advance and to act as a surrogate endpoints most likely for the future in order to have drugs approved earlier and patients benefit earlier from new available therapies. Well, actually we are in the process of starting the finalization of the definitions of outcome in AML, which is a very great amount of workload for everybody, also because we have to harmonize different stakeholders. I mean pharmas, I mean patients, I mean universities, I mean HTAs, and this is probably the core topic that we have to afford, but at the same time this is also the strengthiness of this project in which we strongly believe.